To resolve the KERNEL data INPAGE error, we will explore several solutions. First, it is crucial to check your hardware connections. Many third-party peripherals such as printers, scanners, and cameras can install their own drivers that might interfere with your system's existing drivers, leading to these blue screen errors. To determine if this is the cause, disconnect all external peripherals from your computer, then restart your computer and observe if the problem is resolved. If hardware connections do not resolve the issue, the next step is to perform a check disk scan. Open the Windows search bar, type command prompt, and then right-click on it to select Run as Administrator. This will open an elevated command prompt window. In this window, type the command chkdsk /slr /slf and press Enter. When prompted, press Y and hit Enter again to schedule the scan. Another effective solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously on your keyboard. In the Run dialog box that appears, type MDSC and press Enter. This action will launch the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on Restart Now and check for problems to initiate the scan. Following the Memory Diagnostic, we will perform an SFC scan. Again, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and right-click on it to run as administrator. In the elevated command prompt, type the command sfc /sl scan now and press Enter. This command will begin the System File Checker scan, which verifies and repairs corrupted system files. Finally, the last solution involves updating all your drivers, with the most efficient method being the installation of optional updates. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab on the left side of the Settings window. Then, select Advanced Options. On the Advanced Options page, look for Optional Features. If any updates are available under Optional Features, install them. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.